When the old meets the new, when the beautiful history meets the promising future, and right now we are standing at the convergence or the borderline, and the name is New Pamban Bridge. Yes, this is in south, in Rameshwaram, and the new Pamban Bridge is all set to be opened by December 2022, and it has got a long history, because if you see towards my left side is the old Pamban Bridge, which is still functional. It is a railway bridge with a single line, and this bridge, which was commissioned, which was started year 1914, it is a single railway line Pamban Bridge of 2 kilometers of length. It is a non-electrified railway track which is still in service, connecting Mandapam to Rameshwaram, which is a historical as well as a religious center. But the new Pamban Bridge towards my right side comes with a promising future. It has got many high-tech advantage. It has got many new features, add-ons, which will make Indian Railways, take one step forward in terms of engineering marvel as well as for infrastructure. Now, comparing the two railways, the old Pamban Bridge and the new Pamban Bridge, as I told you, the old Pamban Bridge is a single railway track, a non-electrified railway track, and on this, a railway runs at a speed of 10 km per hour, whereas no freight train can actually run on the old Pamban Bridge. Whereas towards my right side is the new Pamban Bridge. It is a double railway line track that has been laid on. It is an electrified section in the sense that electric trains, electric locomotives can run on this track. This Pamban Bridge will also be equipped, or you can say ready for the movement of freight trains. Freight movements could be done on this track, and above all this, the average speed on this railway track will be 80 kilometers per hour. So when it comes to safety, the new Pamban Bridge has got multiple advantages, like it has got anemometer which will detect the wind speed, and if it goes beyond 56 to 58 km per hour, then the train movement will be stopped, because the danger sign will be, it will be switched on. Now the new Pamban Bridge, it is elevated. It has got a height above 3 meters more than the old Pamban Bridge. The bridge has also got a vertical liftment technology, in the sense that when any cruise or large ship has to be passed on through this bridge, then it will be vertically lifted to almost 75 meters of high. So these all add-ons are there, and this will be one of the engineering marvel for Indian Railways, and which is all set to be opened by December 22, and the constructional cost for this new Pamban Bridge is somewhere close to 560 crores.